Okay children, now I just kept the two card here with the same word E. If the two words come, how we have to pronounce it? Like longer E. Okay, E. What is the sound of E? I. Yes. Now I am keeping the letter B in front of here. What is the sound of B? By. B. Yes, honey bee. Do you saw any honeybees in your home? Yes, the honeycomb will be in the tree. Very good. B. Okay, now I am keeping two letter. One is here M and the one is T here. Okay, now just tell me what is the sound of M? Meat. Okay, what is the sound of M? Eat. Meat. Okay, now I am going to keep another two letter words. One is yes and another one is D here. Okay, now just tell me seed. What is the sound of yes? Shh. What is the sound of D? Seed. Okay, now I am going to introduce another two cards which having a very special letter J and one more letter P. What is the sound of J? Ja. What is the sound of P? Pa. What is the sound of E? Double E. Long pronunciation, isn't it? Jeep. You love Jeep? Yes, I too love while I am riding in Jeep. Yes, I too love Jeep riding. Okay, what is let's tell me one more time. Jeep. Okay, when two words comes, we have to pronounce it longer, isn't it? We have to pronounce it some longer. What is the sound of J? Jop, not G. We have to pronounce it like E. So Jeep. Okay, let's see another set of words, children. Okay children, now we are going to study about two letter word sound. I just puzzle it. A and I. What is the sound of A and I? I. Okay. E. I. Okay, I'm going to place it here. Okay, just I'm going to keep a one new letter at the end of the I. Okay, then it sounds I am. Aim. Okay, aim. Okay, now I'm keeping two letter word. One is here and another one is here. Okay, now you have to read it. Come on. What is the sound of A and I? What is this? R. What is the sound of the R? Rain. Very good. Very nice. Just come on. Rain. Very nice, children. What is the sound of the R? What is the sound of A and I? What is the sound of N? N. When N comes end of the word, we have to pronounce it in. Okay, rain. Very good. I'm just replacing the R and I'm going to keep a new two cards, T and another one is R. Okay, now just listen it. Now just listen. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of R? R. Train. Train. Okay, do you hearing the train sound? Yes, train. Okay, now you can able to read out it. Very nice, children. Now I am going to keep a two letter. I'm just keeping here. I'm just keeping the S here and the L here. Okay, now pronounce it. What is the sound of S? Shh. What is the sound of A and I? Sail. sail, sail. Yes, A-I-L, sail, sail. Okay, now I'm going to replace the word yes instead of T. Now tell me correctly, children, what is the sound of T? T. Very good. What is the sound of A and I? I. Very good. Now we join together. Tail, 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 tail. Very good, children. Let's see the next set of words.